Now we will discuss about some hero to zero information of Gutenberg. We will going to Gutenberg zero to hero training kits. Now we can have access entire set of follow, do this, then do that, step by step videos right now. Yes, I want to joining Gutenberg shortcut kit today. You can click here and easy to. What are the same going to learn? We are discuss about what are the in this video and in this course to learn how this do step by step. First model, Gutenberg the difficult WordPress editor. Why Gutenberg? Why WordPress decided to change the Gutenberg? The difference between class and new block editor. Feel familiar with the Gutenberg user interface. Fourth, Gutenberg main tool slide bar. Model 3, more Gutenberg tools and options. Fifth, understanding view features. 6, understanding editor and features. 7, understanding plug and features. 8, understanding tools and features. 9th, understanding option and features. Model 3, creating a post and page using a blocks. 10th, understanding the blocks. 11th, understanding the block line and toolbar. 12, understanding the block setting. And 13, creating your first page with the Gutenberg. Model 4th, basic Gutenberg block mastery. 14, shortcut to speed up your content creator. 15, convert classic content to Gutenberg. 16, the easiest way to add image in Gutenberg. 17, easiest way to add links in Gutenberg. 18, creating click-available table of content jump link to part 1. 19, creating clickable table to content jump link part 2. Model 5th, advanced Gutenberg block mastery, how to use group blocks with the tips and tricks. 21, columns block and basic setting part 1, correct column setting. Column block basic setting part 2, column blocks basic setting part 3, column part 4, blocks advanced block cover block basic, cover block advanced design. Model 6, resumable blocks and template, how to create resumable blocks, do and does editing resumable blocks, how to create resumable template, resumable blocks and management with tips and trick. Model 7, Gutenberg customs and CSS. Advanced section custom CSS WordPress, advanced section CSS background colors and how. Advanced section custom CSS image inbox using hard code of style and themes. The easiest method to customize CSS from free. Model 8, bonus and course updated. Best third-party Gutenberg block add-on, best Weightlight themes and Gutenberg 39, free access to any features of update this course. And reason join to Gutenberg shortcut kit that you solve each of these problem to goods. Its site is light speed issue. As better SEO ranking, you need to fast site speed, and you compare the website build is the traditional board page and build you will heavily loaded times and a low site source. By using of lightweighting Gutenberg build, your website is easiest boost to your speed boost and reading the better fast and experience of your website. Future career journey, WordPress skill is essential and on demand freelancing and enterprise who can start your online business anything like content writer, website designer, ad marketing agency and WFA. Completable issue, comfortable issue, worry about comfortable issue is your correct themes, plugin and function. The course will be led by converted your Gutenberg without losing any current themes and plugs. Suddenly step learning curve, a Gutenberg editor not way to innovative use. Perhaps you will tired to using of quite and not sure how all the blocks and setting. Saving your money long time. Saving your money expensive bloated page, and they not only make your website heavier, consumer and more strong space resource, and also make your page loading time is increasing by running unnecessary script. Now, getting everything you need to turn your Freedom Gutenberg zero to hero. Please action now and receive the 3 bonus of additional course Gutenberg that we have discussed about some price, how to use, how is price, total price, how to discount. First, some discuss because more than just another course. WordPress Gutenberg shortcut key. First action bonus: unlimited guide to speed your website speed and performance. Its price is 47 euros. Second bonus: 3-day action roadmap. WordPress Gutenberg shortcut key upsell is 47 euros. You're free. Third, site scan audit for page speed optimization is $97, and it's also free. Then wait, there is more. First, how to get started. First step: join the WordPress Gutenberg short training course and implement. Enjoy your goals. Let's recap everything you shortcut. WordPress Gutenberg video course $47. Fast actionable and first bonus is unlimited speed of website performance. Second, 3-day actionable plan roadmap. Fourth, this site scanning audit page and speed, and total is value is $238 USD, but plus $5 USD of auto apply, and the 5 plus USD auto applied. You can click here and total get everything you done your Gutenberg.